The mission today is to get these lambs back out on pasture, eating fresh grass. The plan is to get the lambs back into here, which is the mobile sheep corral, which is out on pasture. They were originally in here with one of the lamb's moms, Lopsy, but Lopsy kept ramming the lamb that wasn't her son and kept knocking my gates down so where the lambs could slip right out. In my last video, you saw me bring Lopsy back to her home ranch, so she is gone, which means I can get the lambs out here and not have to worry about the lambs escaping as much. And this could not come at a better time because this is what is left of my hay. I've got about 1/4 of one bale left. My hay guy won't be available until a few days from now, which means I really need to get these guys out on grass because I won't have much else to feed them. Originally, I was only planning on keeping them in this paddock or in this corral for a few hours, and then that turned into a couple days, and then a couple days turned into about a week. And this is pretty picked over now. It is definitely time to get them out of here. I apologize for all that wind noise. It's super windy today, so I'm doing the best I can with it. The plan is I'm gonna pick up the lambs one at a time and carry them over to the mobile corral. My dance partner's coming over to help just in case there are any runaways or escapes. I'll have another person here to manage that. And of course, little buddy will be out here to supervise.
The dogs have to go potty.
How do you know they have to go potty?
Because how Darren screamed.
Oh, is he asking to go out? Look at you guys. Are you ready to go out, Poe? You need to go potty. Hey, don't do that. Come on, Poe. Go potty. Hey, buddy. Oh, Willow. Hold on. Go get it, Poe. A couple weeks ago, I was cleaning out this portion of my outbuilding, and I found these panels here which go on my pull cart. They're like the sides for it that can pop off or fold down. I'm going to zip tie these to the mobile corral and cover up those little areas where the lambs have been slipping out so I don't have to use those big red gate panels anymore. Little buddy, we're going to be moving the sheep soon, so put on some socks and get ready.
Okay.
Are you going to be help moving the sheep, Willow? No, probably not. You'll probably just scare them. How about you, Poe? Are you going to move the sheep? Yeah? Help has arrived. The red gates are gone. I have those new pieces of metal in place now, covering all the gaps. I looked for my shepherd's crook, which would help me a lot in the capturing of the sheep and moving them, but I can't find it. I had two, one broke, and I can't find the other one, so we're gonna have to do this manually. All right, little buddy, we're gonna try and catch these guys now, so I'm gonna need your help getting them cornered, okay? Flushing them. 2, 3.
3.
What'd you think of moving the sheep, buddy?
It was good.
Whoa, Poe.
Get it, Poe. Go get it.
What are you digging? Go get it.
Come on.
Get it. Get it. Let's go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Dig. Dig.
Not gonna get it?
Dig. Get it.
Back in the spring when we were preparing the garden for planting, Poe actually got in the garden. Oh, here he goes again. Get it, Poe. This is what rat terriers are for. While he's working on that, I'll finish the story. So back in the spring, we were working in the garden. Poe got in there and started doing what he's doing now, digging, but he did it with success. Check this out. Having a rat terrier come visit is helpful. He just found one of these guys in my soil. This is like a ground, what do you call them? This is like a mole or a vole. Get it, Poe, get it. Baby, get it.
Get it. What?
Ooh. No more doggy kisses.
It's no worse than the cat poop he ate.
Oh, you found all of them.
Yes. Good job, Poe. Keep going, buddy.
Get it, Mom. He's gonna like him.
Meanwhile, Poe is still going at it here.
He's getting tired. He's gonna be wiped out tonight. Killed them.
Are you all done, Poe?
Come on, let's go in.
You giving up?
Come on, you're all dirty now.
Nice try.
Good job.
So how do you think that went?
Way better than I expected. I didn't expect us to catch both of them at once.
Yeah, got them both at once and got them into the corral without any incident.
Yeah.
Not bad, right?
Not bad at all.